Yellow Productions presents
the Airinkan Onsen Hotel.
Untitled Japan.
The Airinkan Onsen Hotel is a traditional Japanese-style inn located in the northern part of Japan in the Iwate Prefecture near the Shin Hanamaki train station. The hotel provides a shuttle from the train station that takes about 30 or 40 minutes to reach the hotel location high up in the mountains at the site of the hot spring.
We're in room 520 on the 4th floor, and come on in. As you see, it's a traditional Japanese room with tatami mats, the table in the middle, 2 chairs for you to sit at, some green tea to drink that they prepare for you upon check-in, a very lovely seating area over by the window where you can enjoy the view of the river and also the paper cranes. Over here is the closet for the yukatas. These are the attire and garbs that you wear in the hotel. In this hotel, they are very nice blue color. The mirror hides behind here. Hello. There's also a flat panel television in the room, definitely the most modern thing here. And over on the side is where they store the bedding when they come to make your bed later, which I'll show you once they've actually made our bed.
After checking in, picking a dinner time, and then changing into yukata, it is time to wander around the hotel and check out the hot springs. Now, I can't show you the inside of the hot springs because no clothing is allowed in the hot springs, but I can show you a diagram of what the hot springs look like. This is the basement floor of the hotel. There were 4 or 5 different hot springs that opened at different times for men and women. They were very nice and had wonderful views of the outside surroundings. Very relaxing, very hot water. Well, after that time in the bath, it's time for dinner. Dinner is almost always provided as part of the room rate in onsen hotels in Japan. And at this particular hotel, the dinner was a Japanese imperial-style dinner. There were a number of different items on the table when you sat down. There was a hot plate of metal there for you to cook some of the beef. And then there were a couple additional items that would arrive as they were cooked by the chef, such as this fish and this tempura with green tea salt. Quite tasty. For dessert, a very delicious custard was served, and to drink, there was wine, tea, and water. At the end of the meal, the most amazing thing is the amount of dishes on the table, and every one a unique dish. It must be a nightmare to clean. Glad it's not me doing it. Well, now that it's nighttime, I am in my full yukata, and they have made the futons in the room with a nice floral print on them. About 3 inches of foam. Pretty comfy, pretty comfy. Something else they have here at the hotel is folk music, which I'll let you listen to some in just a minute, but I've been practicing the male part, and you can tell me what you think. Hoop, bada hey, hoop, bada hey, hoop, hey, hoop, hey, hoop. I have to say, very intriguing. My travel companion, Topher the Panda, was inspired by the female part.
Yeah, man.